Much better.
They're putting it on YouTube. Perfect masala dosa.
You eat first and tell me. Perfect. It's again. What can I give you something to shake? There's some of Fanta or Mirinda. Suddenly I forgot it. Hey, I'll go put something.
Record after you.
After take out that Mirinda.
Wait.
Recording from the corner of I. But it still was there.
Great color.
No, ಅಕ್ಕಿದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ.
But this tawa, the way it brings out dosa is amazing.
This is the only tawa that you have to use. Otherwise, it won't.
This is the essence of the masala dosa.
You didn't eat and tell me how it.
Oh, it is excellent, by the way. It is excellent. ರೀ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗುಡ್. ನೆನೆ ದೀಪ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನೀವು ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಅವಳ ಬಿಡೋ ಪಾಪ. ಅದೇನ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ಜನ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಪಾಪ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಾನೇನ್ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ನು. ಓಕೆ ಸೂಪರ್. That is the perfect masala dosa.